Guangzhou Yitong NC Company Limited, locate at Zhencheng District, Guangzhou. Founded at 2010. Established by professors from Guangdong South China University of Technology. And our R&D department, who has over 26 years of research and development experience. Over 26 years of work experience. Our company is a pioneer and leader in the ultrasonic technology industry. We own more than 20 patents that demonstrate our commitment to innovation and excellence. As the first company in China to introduce easy maintenance ultrasonic equipment, and also the first one in China to develop 12,000 watts high-power ultrasonic metal welding machine, we set a benchmark for the quality and efficiency of the industry. Our foreign trade team boasts over 10 years of service experience and work for more than 30 countries' clients in the world, being professional and passionate in providing comprehensive professional services to our clients. Our dedication to quality and customer satisfaction has earned us the privilege of being a preferred supplier to several Fortune 500 companies. Our products are trusted and utilized by top-tier enterprises globally, reflecting our stature as an industry leader. We adhere strictly to the ISO 9000 quality management system, ensuring that every product we manufacture meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. Our mission is to continue leading the industry through technological advancements and exceptional service, solidifying our position as a trusted partner in ultrasound technology.